Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. After the app opens, you will see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, scroll down, find the Unpair button and tap on it. Then tap on Unpair, tap on Got it, and as you can see, the watch disappeared from the device page. Now we can close the application, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth option, and here you will see the Xiaomi Watch S1 on the list of my devices. You will see two of them. Tap on the info icon next to one, tap on forget this device, tap on forget device, then tap on the info icon next to second one, tap on forget this device, tap on forget device. And once you're done, you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone, or iPhone rather. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.